Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can create vertical text in LightBurn. Now, just to enhance this feature, I'm going to actually create the background of my text first. Now, this isn't really necessary, but for just some additional dramatic effect, I'm going to do so. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually type out the text that you want to make vertical. So in here, let's do something like text test. And then you want to navigate back to the pointer option just to basically adjust it. And right after, then once you right click on it, click on the edit text shape. And now it's as simple as actually pressing enter on each character. So the first one is going to be T, press enter, and basically so on and so forth. And basically from there, you have successfully created yourself a vertical text. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.